Marco Island, Florida. We are here for the next 3 nights at the Hilton here in Marco Island, and you will get a full room tour. And right now I'm just waiting for my husband to park the car. There is no valet parking right now, and obviously because of COVID. So he dropped me off with the bags, and we will be checking in shortly. And we already have an upgrade. I'll explain in a bit. First, we dropped our bags down and came down to the restaurant because they closed at 2:30, and so we are starting out with cocktails, and then our day, and I will be giving you a room tour. Okay, here is your official room tour. This is the entryway when we walk into our room. This is the first room, which has a seating area, a comfy couch. This might pull out to a bed. Let's check it out and see if we do. I have a feeling it might. Yep. So this couch pulls out into a bed. We've got big screen TV. There's a refrigerator in here, which we have stuff in it already. We also brought a cooler. We live in Tampa, so we just drove down. So we have a cooler to keep some extra stuff in. Full-length mirror. The view is amazing, which I will show you in a second. From the other room, we've got a giant long balcony. This is a great big table to sit and play games at, or to have breakfast at, because the breakfast buffet is closed. You have to either order and then go down and get it, and you can eat down there, you can eat up. We have to like eating breakfast in our room sometimes, so we might use it. Over here, there's a desk where I probably won't get any work in because most people know I'm on vacation, but just in case, I could use that. All right, so this is the second room. This is the bedroom. And this is the television. And I'm assuming it does swivel so we can see it on the bed. Yeah, it does swivel. And this is the bed, king size bed. And it has lots of storage space. There's a drawer here. And there's plenty of space to keep your things if you're one of those people that likes to unpack. I prefer to live out of my suitcase. All right, so in here, this is the bathroom. So there are 2 sinks. This is the vanity sink, which works out really great when my husband and I travel, because then I can take this whole thing for my makeup, and then he can get ready in the other sink. And I also love the built-in lights in the mirror. Then we have a walk-in shower. I happen to really be digging this shower head up here. So, you know, typical shower. There's no bathtub in this room. Some of the rooms here do have it, but I believe those are the 2-bedroom ones. This is considered an ocean view 2-room king bed. And then of course you have your closet, plenty of space to hang things, a dryer, not a dryer, you can tell how often I use it, an iron and an ironing board along with your safe. And now I'm going to show you the view. By the way, just so you know, we do have a connection here. My cousin-in-law, I think that's what he is to me, my cousin's husband, he actually works here, and he's a manager. So he was able to get us an upgrade, but we did ask for the upgrade and we got the upgrade. Worst case scenario is we got the regular king room with the ocean view, which is what we were supposed to have originally. So this room is a little bit bigger and our balcony is longer. That's what I'm going to show you next. Again, proving the point, if you watch my previous video, I'll put it up here, that you should always ask for the upgrade. You never know. My husband hates the sand, so I'm just gonna come out here and sit on the beach for a little bit. And at least with our room, the Hilton provides chairs and umbrellas. You just need to check in at the beginning of the day. But they told me since it's already after 4 that I can just pick whatever is out here. And I have hand sanitizer in my bag, and I'll just sanitize where I sit and enjoy the waves for a little bit. Found a place here in Marco Island to eat. I will tell you what we ran into in a second, but we stopped at a place not too far from the hotel called Thai Sushi KJ, and we're just gonna sit here and have Thai food outside. So here's what happened. I had already Googled some places on the water that I thought we would eat at, and we went, and there was a band playing. There was a ton of people, and we decided that it was not for us, and also it looks like not many people were wearing masks, and that is not what we're about. So if you do come again, it depends on your level of comfort. We're not comfortable with massive crowds, and it looked like there was a massive crowd there, so we just kept going until we found this place. And so far it looks like there's not many people here, and they do have outside seating, which we happen to like, and it smells really good, so it could be a gem that we found by accident. One thing about this view is it is nice and quiet out here, and it's very pretty. And thank you to my husband for being my lighting guy. On that note, we're going to end today. Now that you've seen the room and everything, I will probably be doing more of the hotel on Saturday when I actually go back to the beach, and maybe for sunset. That Thai restaurant, by the way, was really good. We were hungry and just ordered typical stuff, so there was nothing really to show, but it was very good. If you are in the Marco Island area, it's right down the street from the hotel. So on that note, thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next adventure. Bye.